Hi, this is Shelley Sparks. I just want to do a real quick video. I was passing this wall in my neighborhood and I wanted you to see that even the most mundane pieces of utility in your life can be enhanced and made beautiful with art. It's wonderful to see people taking initiative to do interesting and fun things to their property and adding art and beauty to the world. This is Shelley Sparks. If you'd like more information about landscape design, check out my website, www.harmonygardens.net, or look for my book, Secrets of the Land, Designing Harmonious Gardens with Feng Shui, available on Amazon or on my website. Thanks for listening.